what is social dancing all
What
about?
what is social dancing is all about? It's about music. It's about steps. It's about whatever it is.
It's about socializing.
Socializing, right?
You
Meeting new
socialize.
people.
You socialize in the right sense. Like you learn a lot of etiquettes in this. You learn the healthy touch. Yeah.
Right.
That's like one thing that is lacking. Like for that matter, I have an incident. I came from a boys' school. Okay, I was in college and मेरी जब बाइक आई थी नई नई, so two of my friends, they took my motorbike keys and helmet and they ran into the ladies' room. अब वो जब बाहर आई तो मैं उनके पीछे तो भागा, पर मुझे यही नहीं पता था कि उन्हें पकड़ू कैसे। मुझे क्या पता है, बॉयज स्कूल से हमारा ट्रेनिंग क्या रहा है, रिसेस हुई तो लड़कों को उठा के सुप्लेक्स, दैट्स व्हाट आई नो।
मस्ती मजाक मारा
पर आई डिडंट नो अभी इसको सुप्लेक्स दूं या पावर बम दूं या सुपर किक। आई कांट डू एनी ऑफ दोस स्टंट्स ऑन दीस गर्ल्स। Now I didn't know what to do. This is a fact, okay? And I they ran in again successfully. Now I am sitting outside. I saw one friend of mine pass. वो कोएड स्कूल से था। मैंने बोला रुक इधर आ। अब मैं उन लड़कियों को रोक तो दूंगा, पकड़ना तेरा काम है। पकड़ लेना, पकड़ोगे ना तो मैं उनके हाथ से छुड़ा के तेरा बाइक का चाबी और हेलमेट ले लूंगा, ठीक है? तो लेकिन तू पकड़, मतलब मैं जितना बोल रहा होता कर। उस दिन मुझे समझा कि लड़की को ऐसे पकड़ सकते हैं, ये मुझे पता ही नहीं था, बिकॉज नेवर टच द गर्ल।
इट्स अ गुड टच।
अरे तुम ऐसे पकड़ सकते हो, पता ही नहीं था मेरे को। मेरे आई वाज क्लूलेस। इट्स अ फैक्ट, अ स्वोन फैक्ट। लाइक आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू टच देम और होल्ड देम। और वो पता ही नहीं था, ऐसे पकड़ के तुम ड्रैग कर रहे हो और चाबी
इट इज
निकाल
वेरी
लिया
नॉर्मल। इट
उसने।
इज वेरी नॉर्मल।
मैंने बोला साला, इट्स अ वेरी
वेरी
नॉर्मल
नॉर्मल।
थिंग बट abnormal for me. I didn't know that. I've never had that normal in life. हम लोग को तो ये फीलिंग तो
Boys
पूरा,
hostel, of course.
हाँ right. So that's what we understood, right? Like, but then I came to know अच्छा ऐसा है। Come next year I started learning salsa. Now I touch people how to touch people. Now I teach
That's
people how to touch people.
of course, of course. So, do you hesitate to dance with a lady or a follower who is not giving a good vibe?
Yeah,
Does that
if they're
happen?
not giving a good vibe, basically I wouldn't dance with them in the first place. I'll tell you something. See, uh, there are people whom I have seen for a while uh, are not wanting to dance, right? So if a person says no to me a couple of times, I don't, वो बोलते हैं ना, three is the charm. I don't go for the charm. Why is it that person has said no? Then I wait. I respect that person's space. I step away. Whenever that person wants to come back to me, maybe that night, maybe the next night, maybe the next night after 1 year, ठीक है. But I'll wait. I'll not go ask. Because there are two things. One is respect for the person who said no to me twice. So that person probably doesn't want to dance with me. And secondly, respect for myself. I have my self-esteem. I don't want to go and tarnish myself and ask myself as if I'm begging for something. देखो आप डांस नहीं करोगे तो कोई और डांस करेगा, कोई और भी अगर डांस ना करे, I am happy dancing alone. I I have an imaginary partner which is always dancing with me all the time. So it's not that I am begging for somebody to dance with me, but I've come to that after a level of maturity, after years of penance, I would say. I've come to that level of maturity, but it takes a while for understanding that. Actually, you know what I mean.
I know, I know. So, what are the basic etiquettes anyone can have for social dancing?
Okay, wear clean clothes, carry extra clothes, powder your armpits, carry deodorant, apply perfume, wear some perfume, wear some cologne if you want, mouthwash, mints, good shoes are so necessary.
Right, right.
So necessary. The ones that spin help you spin well. you know. So I usually, whenever I go shoe shopping, my father doesn't like it. He doesn't want to go along with me because वो बोलेंगे अभी ये देखेगा कि इसमें डांस होता है क्या, हर इसमें क्यों नाचना है तुझे। पर
जरूरी
मुझे
नहीं है।
क्या होता है, आई लैंड अप डांसिंग समवेयर इवन इफ आई डोंट प्लान टू। मैं मुशायरे में डांस कर चुका हूँ यार।
Oh yeah.
मैं मुशायरे में परफॉर्म कर रहा था, ये सब हुआ, और वहां पर मेरे बहुत अजीज दोस्त और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, शायरी के भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मेरे मौजूद थे। तो वहां पर उन्होंने बोला भाई भाई सर सर, नहीं नहीं आप तो कर वही थोड़ा तो करके दिखा दो। अब कुर्ते पजामे मैं उनको शाइन्स करके दिखा रहा हूँ, तो आई लैंड अप डांसिंग जस्ट।
And how to improve your dance skills? By going to socials, or by focusing on your footworks, or by listening to more music? What do you will suggest?
All of these things,
Hmm.
along with finding the right kind of teachers to learn with. It's not that कि इनको अच्छा लगता है, like he likes me because I fit him, but somebody else might fit for somebody else, right? Like किसी और को मेरे लिए I would like to learn it from somebody who fits me, right?
Right.
Like there are many instructors that I've learned from, many people that have inspired me, many mentors, but some have just had such an effect on me. So you want to find that कि हाँ, this is the person that inspires me, and this is the person who knows how to teach.
Right.
See, there are many good dancers, and I would say this now. अभी मैं उतना हो गया हूँ कि मैं ये भी बोल भी दूँ और खुलेआम में कह रहा हूँ कि there are good dancing and good teaching are two very different things. Good dancers need not always be great teachers. And I would say it's not only me, a lot of people who are watching this, who are already instructors, who are uh, uh, into this since a very long time, would agree to this. I'm pretty sure. Because they also have said a lot of things. And I've heard this not only from myself, but not only me saying it, like there are many people who resonate with this idea.
Okay, nice, nice. And people are very beginner to this industry or this social dancing. Let's say I have started my social dancing journey from last 1 year. Still, I consider myself a beginner.
Okay.
Okay, that's a good thing because
That's a
that's a
good
very
thing.
good thing.
I
If I
would
say
consider myself a beginner too. Like,
you're dancing since so
whenever,
long,
yeah, but like, if I am to learn something, I consider myself a novice. मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता,
कुछ नहीं आता है,
कुछ
आप
नहीं आता,
सिखाओ.
मेरे को देखने दो। अगर मैं सीखने आया हूँ कुछ भी, there was so in the Academy of Theatre Arts where I did my masters in drama, MA in drama, हमें सालसा सिखाया जा रहा था सेकंड ईयर में। So the teacher, when she came, she's like, Devru, salsa karna hai. Karoge na? Yes, ma'am. I'm just going to learn whatever you're teaching. Although she knows that I know more than her.
more than her.
But then she said, yeah, he's the only boy I am sure that will actually learn and follow the same technique that I am teaching here. And he would, keep aside his ego and this that. She had that confidence in me, luckily, thanks God, touch wood. And I remember वो performance करने के लिए भी जब मैं गया था, I was in a hospital.
Oh,
मैंने वहां से इंजेक्शन लेके वहां से छुट्टी मार के
that is your passion all about
मैं
dancing.
गया, मैं करूंगा कुछ भी हालत में, and I did perform that routine at the Academy of Theatre Arts.
And as you said that social dancing is for to be a social or to be a social to meet a new people. So I have made lots of friends here. So last 1 year, so I have a group now.
That's
Okay,
good.
so that's a good thing because मेरे mind में क्या था, being a corporate employee, whenever weekend used to come, I used to call my 4 friends. Let's go to this club. Let's get drunk. Let's roam around. 4 दोस्तों को बुला के ड्रिंक्स कर लिया, बॉलीवुड पे आधा डांसिंग कर लिया. So that was the only thing I used to do. But now I have good friends, so I go to clubs. I also go to club now, but I'm not. I'm more into social dancing right now.
Yeah, that's good. That's
So I'm
good. So
learning-
you're not basically getting drunk and passed out on your bed sometimes. Like rather you're going, you're engaging yourself with the other and
Meeting
having
new-
the responsibility of another partner in every song. Okay, it's not कि हाँ एक song तक का responsibility है, बाकी Everywhere you're responsible for yourself and your partner. And the whole commune, as I would say.
But whenever I dance, I just keep thinking about the steps. कि इसके बाद क्या करूँ? अब ये घुमा लिया, इसके बाद क्या करूँ? So how to come out of that? Because it is a big confusion for me.
तालीम की कमी है.
तालीम की कमी है, practice की कमी है. So whenever sir I go for workshop, any workshop, so I just keep scrolling on Instagram कि workshop कहाँ पे इस weekend में या फिर इस weekday पे और कब मुझे free time मिल रहा है. So whenever I go for workshop, instructor asks me the same question again and again कि क्या level है आपका? What is your level?
Okay.
I said I'm extreme beginner. I want to learn. I'm here to learn.
Then let's go learn. My workshop is about to begin now. Let's go.
Let's do it.
See you there.
See you.